tools that will absolutely transform your garden. From planting to harvesting, we've scoured the market to bring you the top tools that will take your gardening game to the next level. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting reviews. Now folks, I know you're always on the lookout for the best deals. That's why we've partnered with AliExpress to provide you with exclusive links to these fantastic garden tools. Check out the AliExpress links in the description below to get your hands on these game changers. All right, let's jump right into it and explore the tools that will make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. But first, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about transforming your garden. Now let's get started. First up, we have the 25V Cordless Pruner with a 40mm electric pruning shear. This powerful tool is a game changer for your garden. With a 1.9 extension rod, it can sustain up to 12 hours of continuous use. The 2-hour fast charging feature ensures you spend more time gardening and less time waiting. The Sky carbon steel blades are super sharp and rust proof, making your pruning tasks a breeze. Now let's talk about the Greenworks 40V brushless mower. It provides up to 60 minutes of runtime with a fully charged 5H battery, perfect for maintaining a beautiful lawn. This cordless mower is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. It is a 40V21 brushless cordless design. It's compatible with over 75 tools, making it a versatile addition to your gardening arsenal. We have the Powsmart 21V electric hedge trimmer. This cordless household trimmer is a rechargeable shrub pruning saw that's perfect for maintaining your yard. The double-sided dual-action cutting design ensures efficient trimming, and the special teeth on the front of the blade allow it to slice through branches effortlessly. A true helper for all your trimming needs. Next on the list is this incredible portable garden tree digger, specifically crafted to resist wear. It's a must-have for forestry seedlings and vineyard supports. Next, a wide shovel is a game changer. Not only does it excavate the roots of trees through soil balls, but it also effectively cuts off redundant roots. This feature makes transplanting trees a walk in the park, providing you with convenience and efficiency. Now let's talk about the 9-size garden auger drill bit tool. If you've ever struggled with planting or digging holes for your garden, this tool is your solution. The sparse-through-hole digger design allows for easy and efficient drilling, making it ideal for flower planting, seed planting, gardening fence installation, and so much more. It's a versatile tool that saves you time and effort in various garden tasks. We have the gardening hoe weeding rake. This steel farm tool is a multitasking marvel. Whether you need to grasp, rake, level, loosen soil, harrow, clean leaves, or collect weeds, this agricultural tool has got you covered. In operation as with Ashton, durable construction ensures longevity, making it an essential addition to your gardening toolkit. The powerful 14-inch electric tiller and cultivator, a game changer for agriculture and gardening tasks. This versatile tool is designed to effortlessly till and cultivate your soil, preparing it for planting. And its 14-inch width ensures efficient coverage, making it a must-have for both home gardeners and agriculture enthusiasts. Let's cultivate that dream garden together. Next up, we have the Lawn Erator Spikes shoes, a brilliant innovation for grass cultivation. These spiked sandals with adjustable straps for universal sizing are like a workout for your lawn. They help loosen compacted soil, promoting better air circulation and nutrient absorption. Eventually, strap them onto your boots and take a stroll through your garden to give your grass the care it deserves. And now let's talk about the Suncast 175 feet hose and mobile hose reel cart. This gardening tool is a game changer when it comes to hose management, with a capacity to hold up to RS 75 feet of standard 5 by 8 in. It ensures easy and efficient watering for your garden. The large 7-inch wheels make transportation a breeze, and the convenient hooks securely hold the end of the leader hose or garden hose. Crafted from durable, weather-resistant resin, it's built to withstand the elements and stand the test of time. the mighty 52 C-Post hole digger, a gas-powered earth auger that takes the hassle out of planting in your garden. This tool packs powerful capacity and versatility. Say goodbye to manual digging. This excavator is perfect for disassembling and installing, making your gardening tasks a breeze. Plus, it's not just for gardens, it's an ideal tool for drilling holes for various purposes, including ice fishing, convenient, powerful, and easy to use. Next up, we have the Fertilizer Planter handheld manual seeder, a fantastic tool for efficient planting in standing seeding mode. It reduces labor intensity, speeds up seeding, and saves more effort compared to traditional methods. You have control over the number of seeds to be sown, the depth of sowing, and the amount of fertilizer to be applied. It's a versatile planter that caters to your individual needs and adapts to different soils. We have the Powsmart cordless leaf blower. This electric snow blower and dust blower are your go-to tools for a clean garden. With the convenience of cordless operation, this blower is perfect for removing leaves. It's also a versatile tool for cleaning dust and snow, making it an essential in every gardener's. The Powsmart electric wood chipper leaf mulcher. With its robust 15-amp motor and a convenient collecting bin, this tool is a game changer for garden yard maintenance. By effortlessly turning branches and leaves into valuable mulch, it not only keeps your garden tidy, but also promotes sustainability by recycling organic waste. Let's embrace a cleaner and greener garden with the Powsmart 12. Next up, we have the electric herbal burners weed burner, an environmentally sound weeding solution that's truly revolutionary. With a flame reaching a scorching 650 degrees Celsius, it effectively controls weeds between decking, channels, or stone edges. What sets it apart is its commitment to eco-friendliness. Powered by electricity instead of fossil fuels, it operates without the need for chemicals, yet produces the same results as traditional burners. I say goodbye to naked flames and hello to a safer, greener weeding experience. We have the Cordless Tiller cultivator, an environmental-friendly electric tiller designed for turning the soil and opening furrows. Say goodbye to gas-powered alternatives and embrace the convenience of cordless operation. This tiller is not only efficient, but also reduces your carbon footprint. It's a win-win for both your garden. Lastly, this gas broom is built to last. Crafted from high-quality metal, it's sturdy and durable, ready to tackle various outdoor cleaning tasks. The design features a rotatable brush head, offering you the flexibility to take care of all areas around you. But that's not all. The wheels of this powerhouse can rotate an impressive 8,510,500 rpm, ensuring it works efficiently and gets the job done quickly. And there you have it, folks, a journey through the tools that will transform your garden into a haven of beauty and efficiency. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe to Review Palace for more insightful reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest recommendations. For more in-depth information on each tool featured today, check out the links in the description below. If you have any questions, or if there are specific tools you'd like us to review in the future, feel free to leave a comment. We love hearing from our gardening community. Remember, your garden is a canvas and these tools are your brushes. Let's make it a masterpiece together. Until next time, happy gardening.